here, which is great for me. I love that. Welcome to my show, and I hope you enjoy it.
It's gorgeous.
I've been invited to go walking in the Royal National Park in Australia. So we are in the parking lot. My friend Carol has invited me, and so off we go.
Tired eyes, maybe you've seen too much. Tired heart, every end has a start. If you find yourself in trouble, falling off the track, would you come back?
Look at these amazing rock formations. Almost look like it's stairs.
Time will save you. You don't need
This is Bushwalking First World.
sorry eyes of those left behind. When we were kids, to these things we were blind. If you find yourself alone with no one to call home, will you come back? Will you come back? Will you come back? Time will save you. You don't need to save yourself. Time will save you. You don't need to save yourself. And if you need me now, you know I am here. For the deepest scars disappear. Time will save you. You don't need to save yourself.
So we're sitting here having an absolutely fabulous picnic. So we came for a walk out here, and it's just been absolutely exquisite. This is an hour out of Sydney. It's really close. And just look at this. See there's a waterfall right there. Really lovely waterfall. And then the tide's coming in, but this is an amazing spot to swim. It's a bit cold today, so we're not swimming. But come summer, I'm definitely going to swim. And then look over there, man. Just look at that. That is absolutely exquisite. Hi. So I've installed this winch a while ago. Had this professionally welded up. But this winch is only attached by 4 bolts. There's 2 here and 2 at the back. And I just think that, it worried me. So the solution is to put a steel plate up here, which presses against this and gives it some forward stopping force. And also then to cut this hole in the steel plate, and then that supports this as well. So that's what I'm going to do now. So here's something interesting. See, it came, the bolt that holds that down, came with a washer, this, and then this thing. And it's supposed to stop screws from coming undone. This was invented like almost 100 years ago. And it has been proven to be absolutely no better than this. If you go scientific on this, this is a useless thing. It does not do what it says it'll do. It's a really old design, and everybody just carries on nobody stops using them because, you know, human nature, it doesn't work. Isn't that pretty?
Break my mind open, rebuild me backwards, up and down, round and round, until the phone takes non-corporeal state.
Here we go. What do you think? That's pretty cool, man. I like that. I really like that. And that should strengthen this whole thing. Yeah. So just get it welded in. Yeah. So I'm on my way to the climate strike, as everybody else in the station here, I hope. I'm just having a quick breakfast. So we're meeting at the Robbie Burns statue. Interesting. Hello. So I'm here with my friend Tim. There's a band coming.
Enough is enough. Right here, I'm standing with my nephew. We've been traveling right across the Northern Territory to unite with our people.
It is not okay. These people and companies are literally burning our futures.
Okay, so I am going to park here so I can film this whole. I think that should be fine. Excellent. So, what I'm planning on doing is to weld on this plate at the front here. Interestingly enough, I've just replaced this with like a new premium diving clothes rubber, because the previous thing I had on here, within months, it just started to disintegrate. But this is amazing. This is, and it just stretches. It's great. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is weld this plate on. So the problem with welding steel this thick is you weld it on this side the whole thing bends over, then you've got to weld it on the other side to bend it back again. And if you're a real expert at, at welding, then that's not a problem. Those guys are amazing. They just do it. Me, not an expert. So I'm leaving this bolted on. I'm going to tack it on this side. This should hold it. Tack it on that side and then tack it on the back side as well. And then I can take the whole thing out and properly weld it. I don't like to make noise on a Sunday because, people just want to chill. But someone else is already making a noise, so I feel it should be okay. So for me, this is quite a big moment. This is my first serious welding that I'm going to do that's important, and that should be good. So hopefully this works.
I don't want money. I don't want cars. I don't want money. I don't want cars. You are, that I'm the best is too fast. The truth, wrapped up in excuses. You are the reason bullet grew black. My heart, but you know.
So my welding, not the best, not the prettiest. This is not pretty welding, but I can always pretty it up afterwards with a grinder. So that's my thing. But I try to make it as good as possible, but anyway, it is what it is. How the hell am I going to weld it on the back there? I do need to tack it on the back.
Me, and I'll drink to that if you'll lift the glass in the hopes that when they will be something different than the glimpses that the devil let us see. So raise your eyes to crimson skies.
Okay, that's good. So basically what I've discovered with my welding is I need to be able to see what I'm welding, and with this it's really dark, so you see the weld tip but you don't see the stuff around it. So you get lost in where you're welding, and so that's why I'm out here hoping, but it's still not enough light. I'm going to go to Bunnings and I'm going to get myself some work light and just punch light on this so I can see exactly what I'm doing. But that's good for now, that's perfect. It's a bit of a blustery day, so I'm going to weld this front. So this is my first serious welding that I'm doing. So I'm going to be slow, very careful, make sure this is perfect.
All these scars are what make me, and I'll drink to that if you'll lift the glass in the hopes that one day we'll be something different than the glimpses that the devil let us see. So raise your eyes.
This welding thing is a bit fraught, man. It's like, but I think once I get going and everything is in its place, I think I'll just work. Because that weld I made there, absolutely beautiful. I've just run out of wire, so I'm just going to change that.
Yeah, so I swear I never give you a line in a poem and that no melody would ever carry you.
I'm not going to give you a close-up, because that's terrible, terrible, terrible welding. I mean, it'll hold. It's not pretty. That's it. Ugly. But it'll hold.
The whole when I know damn well that I'm better off alone. Cause you try to take everything, verse, bridge, and chorus, and I curse your name until my voice rang hoarse, and I was worried how you would be.
So I'm gonna stop this episode right here. It's already quite long. Thanks for watching. Next episode should be interesting because I think I'm gonna do my first painting of the bumper, the mount for the winch, the fuel tanks, the mud guards, and just the back angled bit of the Unimog. Now I'm painting it with stuff that you put on the back of utes, so it's got a bit of a texture to it. Hopefully I think it'll look good. It'll look good. Anyway, if you like my video, press the subscribe button, press the bell next to it, give me a thumbs up. Have a good week. See you later.